got a street crossing up there. Maybe we'll hear the horn. We gotta get out here again. It's just sitting there and I didn't take it, the opportunity. Now I gotta, looks good here. Yeah, okay.
Continue for 4 miles.
All the way down here, and it was moving really slow, but it had just started accelerating, and that's why I didn't think it would start moving that fast. I thought they were just adjusting maybe, or fitting it inside this, say 1 or 2 mile long island where they store it and I guess load it up apparently. And I guess they were done and they were just taking off. All right, I gotta go.